All right, PDR beginners, glue pulling within PDR is one of the most artistic areas, and you can get very creative. Now, this is just a starting point for me. I like to start with a smaller tab that fits inside of my defect and just enough glue to cover the face of the tab, but only after I depress the tab, not from the very beginning. So with a very small tab, I'm going to aim for the little center footprint here, the footprint of this stem. I'm going to aim for that little center footprint right there. I'm gonna take my glue gun, touch my tab. I'm gonna put out just enough glue to cover that little center footprint. That way, when I go to depress my tab, okay, as I press it, it's going to run over the face of the tab. I don't have a whole bunch of glue smeared out the sides there, but as long as you press it properly, let that glue spread out over the face, grab those pores. You want good clean paint, but as long as that glue is able to then anchor into those pores with a small amount of glue and a small tab, you will get some big pulls, okay? So, but this is just a starting point. From here, if you're fighting like a feature within the panel that's a little bit tighter here than out here, then you might want to size up the tab or maybe give yourself a little bit more glue. But this is just a starting point for me. It doesn't take a huge tab and a lot of glue to get big pulls. I hope that helped. Now work hard, go be great.